So hey loves, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, trying out, as well as sharing you guys my thoughts on this Viltrox EF to EOS M2 lens adapter. And this is amazing because I've watched a couple of reviews, amazing reviews about this. With this you can sort of get like a full frame look if you're someone who uses a compact camera like I am right now. And in this video I'm going to also be comparing it with the Canon lens adapter. Now, what is amazing about this is that with this, you can attach multiple lenses. You can attach EF lenses, full frame lenses. This gives you sort of like variety when it comes to lens selection. And I'm just gonna open this up right now so that we can get started. So if you're someone who is currently using the Canon M50, M6, M5, this could potentially be something amazing to try out. I'm just going to put this on again. Let me unseal this. Let me open this up. Okay, open it up the wrong way. And in here we have the manual that I don't read. I don't know what this is, but this is what we are here for. This right here is the adapter. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's actually, I feel like it's a little bit heavier. It has more weight compared to the Canon one that I'm currently using. Let me just go ahead to fix this on my camera and on my lens to see if there's a difference. So from the reviews that I've seen online, this adapter should make my background, should make my lens a little bit wider. This should give me some sort of like a full frame effect. I'm just gonna try this out. I think it should also look amazing in terms of quality because it has lenses inside. Can you guys see that glass inside? Okay, so I can see a USB Type-C port right there. I'm thinking this is probably to update the firmware and all of that. But I wanna do a quick comparison between this one and my Canon one. This is what the Canon one looks like. Again, using my Sigma 30mm 1.4 lens. I want to see what the difference is in terms of quality and framing at the same time. Wow. Okay, now there is definitely a huge difference in terms of my field of view. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison between this Viltrox lens adapter compared to this Canon one so that you guys can see the difference and know the difference in terms of framing and field of view, and also in terms of quality. I feel like this might be a little bit sharper. I don't know if it's just my eyes, but this is the Canon one. This is the Canon lens adapter. This one doesn't have any mirror inside, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is what I'm getting right now. I feel like it's super wide in terms of framing. I feel like this reminds me of my Sigma 16mm lens. This is how wide my 16mm lens would be if I were to be vlogging and all that. Let me just move a little bit closer. Yeah, let me know which one you guys prefer. But definitely I love that with this I can now maybe even have two lenses in one, in the sense that if I pair this lens with this Viltrox adapter, I get like a 20mm lens, and if I pair it with this Canon one, I get like a 30mm lens. So I get like two in one, if that makes sense. Well, this is what it looks like, this is what I look like, and this is what we're getting. Let me see in terms of my aperture, because I hear that. Oh wow, so it brought my aperture down to 1.0. with this my aperture can go down to 1.0, which is insanely mad, because lenses that have aperture or f-stops that go down to about 1.0 are usually very expensive. So the fact that I can alternate between different functions, and it kind of makes my lens look and feel really diverse. I want to try it out with this my 50mm lens just to see how wide the field of view looks like, and also how low the aperture would go down. Alright, so this is what the 50mm lens looks like paired with my Canon lens adapter. This is my field of view. This is how wide and how cropped in it looks at the same time. Again, I want to do like a side-by-side comparison between both lens adapter to see which one looks better and which one gives you, you know, more variety in terms of your production and creation at the same time. But this is what my Canon lens adapter looks like paired with my 50mm lens. This is what I'm getting right now. Okay, so what I want to do right now is to change this up. I'm going to put this lens adapter. Okay, so this is what my 50mm lens now looks like, and this is typically how my 30mm Sigma lens looks like. So if I paired it with this Canon lens adapter, and this is the field of view, this is the quality that you guys are getting right now. Let me see how low the aperture can go. How low can you go? Okay, now, so for some funny reasons, I feel like the quality coming out of this lens is a little bit sharper. I don't know if it's just my eyes, but I'm noticing that it's a little bit sharper in terms of the detailing. Let me just see how. So this lens can now go down to 1.2. Wow, there we go. So this is what we're looking like. This is what my 50mm lens looks like. This is what your 50mm lens would look like if you pair it with a full frame camera. This is typically what you would get. So I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison between this 50mm paired with this Viltrox adapter and the 50mm paired with my Canon lens adapter, just to show you guys the difference and also the quality. This is what I'm getting right now. Still looks good. Definitely love the framing, definitely love it. Reminds me of my 30mm like I previously said. But yeah, this is what I'm getting, guys. What do you guys think about this lens adapter? Was it a good investment? I'm doing this thing whereby I try out new products, I review new products, and I just try them out and see if it works or it doesn't work. So yeah, I definitely think this one works for me, especially because I like to create diverse content, a lot of content. And I think, to be honest with you, I'm loving this framing, I'm loving this depth. So this might even be my main lens to film with, and as well as the lens adapter. Yeah, so let me just move back a little bit. And I think I'm good like this. So yeah, but this is like my initial try on review of the Viltrox EF to EOS M2 lens adapter, and honestly speaking, I think it's a good investment. And if you already have this lens adapter, it's definitely something to add on to your collection. It gives you variety. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. In case you guys are new here, feel free to stick around with me by subscribing to my channel. It is totally free and fun. Yes, subscribe to my channel by clicking on this button right here. Comment down and let me know which one you guys prefer. Do you prefer like my standard lens adapter I'm using right now, or do you prefer this one, or do you think this is a plus in terms of getting variety when filming and creating diverse content? So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.